Hello everybody, welcome to another sound light activation. If you can, take some time now or come back to this later. So I invite you to take some deep and gentle breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And with each breath, coming back a little bit more into presence with yourself, to the refuge of you. I'm calling on the highest and the holiest to be with us here now, whatever that is for you, the spirit of peace, love, compassion, and joy. It seems much is going on in our world, and the more we can return to quiet and moments coming into presence with ourselves and really activating our love and our light. There's quite a lot of anxiety and animated discussion in our world, as well as really difficult things, as well as great beauty. And many people all around the world praying, coming together for the highest good, for love, for light, and helping one another. So I just wanted to mention today Gandhi, and he was a great man, and through him he managed to get the India free of the British and a level of colonization, and it was all with non-violent resistance and a level of civil disobedience. And I sense that that is being called for us now, as some crazy things are being proposed. I actually received a video from Jason Shirker. Anybody wants to message me, I'll forward it to you. But there's a treaty that's going through, well hopefully maybe not going through, where that World Harm Organization can have the right to dictate to all the governments of the world to shut people down and force medicalizations. So it's the time for us, we the people, to come together and really help one another with love, with joy. So enough said. I invite you to really feel your body sensations. How is your body doing? Any aches or pains or sickness or health? Just really coming to your body and really honoring your body. It's a miracle. The heart that keeps beating, the breathing that keeps happening, the brain, all is an unbelievable miracle. And as you're breathing in and out, allow your breath to soften any areas of heaviness or discomfort. Really tuning in, feeling, honouring, opening, softening. And now I invite you to notice your mental body, the thoughts that might be coming and going. And again, as you breathe, watch the thoughts, activate, strengthen the witness, so we can deepen into that golden silence, which is more actually our nature. And there's so much interaction on the internet, it's very easy to get pulled into more and more information. So taking the time out in nature, the time for some quiet, is really important. And now tuning into your heart. How are you doing emotionally? And sense, imagine, visualize you're breathing in and out through your heart. Breathing in love, peace, compassion, courage, gratitude. And as you're breathing out, breathe away anything you no longer need to hold. And do this for a few breaths. And then let's come to the place of breathing in love, peace, compassion, courage, gratitude. and then breathing that out into the field. So we are becoming satellites of these energies for our world. And now I invite you to sense, visualize, imagine that you're under a column or waterfall of light coming from our sun, connecting to the central sun, activating our deepest connection to our soul, to our spiritual body, connecting with the earth and with the infinite. And I invite you to tune into the quality of abundance. There are almost 9 billion of us humans in the world, and as we come together, that level of abundance magnifies everything for goodness. There are a lot of very, very, very good and beautiful people everywhere. And if you look outside at all the leaves on the trees, or the water flowing in nature, just natural examples of incredible abundance, we can come back to that place of giving and receiving, giving our gifts, whether that be a smile, and being open to receiving. As we come closer to living in a world where there's more of a gift economy, where no one is excluded by having not enough money, where we have enough, where we are enough, where we have food, shelter, beauty, creativity, love, loving relationships, meaningful work, and where this is a ripple effect. As we help each other, it helps us. So enough talking. I'm now going to play the sounds, so I invite you to make yourselves comfortable, whether lying or sitting, and I'll play the sounds. Thank you very much, everyone. Wishing you a beautiful week, and that we all be living in love, peace, joy and compassion. Many blessings to you and much love. Thank you, thank you.